In this video I'm going to show you how to get an older HP LaserJet printer working on an Apple Silicon Mac in macOS Tahoe or Golden Gate. So this is my laser printer. It's an HP LaserJet Pro M12W, which I've been using since about 2017. If I go to the HP driver's website and type the name of my printer in the box, then it brings me to this page where it asks me to identify which OS I'm running. So I select macOS. Now if I click in the drop down on the right to select which macOS version, all it has is macOS 10.7 through 10.14. There's literally nothing here newer than 8 years old. So I click here next to I don't see my operating system and it brings me to this page. I'll click on Apple and then choose Apple Support Driver. And here all that's offered are the HP printer drivers 3.1 for macOS Lion and Mountain Lion, which are 14 years old at this point, and HP 5.1.1, which isn't compatible with macOS 12 or newer. So how can I get my printer working under Tahoe or Golden Gate? Well, although HP no longer have the drivers linked on their website, they do still have them available on their FTP server, and you can still download them using the direct link. This link here is for the drivers for the LaserJet Pro M11, M12 and M13 series. And if you have a different model, then there's HP Printer Essentials, which again can be downloaded from HP's FTP site using the direct link. I'll put these links down in the video description so that you can just copy and paste them. There are a few different versions of HP Printer Essentials, so if one version doesn't work for you, you can try a different version. First I'll show you the installation for my printer, which is the M11, M12 and M13 package. Just copy the link text from the description box, then fire up Safari, click in the address bar and hit Command and V to paste the link. Then hit enter and you'll be asked, do you want to allow downloads on ftp.hp.com? Click on allow and the driver package will be saved to your downloads folder. Now open your downloads folder and double click on the icon to open it. This should mount the DMG on your desktop. Now you can double click the installer icon to begin the installation. Because these are all drivers made for Intel Macs, you'll need Rosetta 2 installed to run it. If you don't already have Rosetta 2 installed, you'll be prompted to install it now. Next, you'll see a message saying that the certificate has expired and asking you if you want to continue with the installation. Click on Continue, then Continue again and Continue again. Then finally click Install and enter your macOS password. Click on Install Software and the driver will be installed. When it's finished, you'll see a message saying that the installation was successful and you can click on Close to exit the installer. Now you can close the window and drag the icon to the trash. Make sure that your printer is plugged into your Mac with a USB cable and it's turned on. Then open System Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Printers and Scanners. Now click Add Printer, Scanner or Fax. Your printer should be detected and appear in the box at the top. Click on it to select it and down here next to Use you'll see that it chooses the printer driver you just installed automatically. Finally click Add and the printer should now be set up. To test it I'll just type something into text edit here, then I can go to the File menu, choose Print, my printer will be selected automatically, then hit Print and the document gets printed. Now, if you have a different LaserJet printer that isn't an M11, M12 or M13 model, you can use HP Printer Essentials. Copy the link text from the description to this video and then open up Safari. Click in the address bar and press Command and V to paste it. Then hit enter and you'll be asked, do you want to allow downloads on ftp.hp.com? Click on allow and the driver package will be saved to your downloads folder. Now open your downloads folder and double click on the icon to run it. Because these old drivers were made for Intel Macs, you'll need Rosetta 2 installed, so if you don't already have it, you'll be prompted to install it now. When the installer runs, click Continue, then Install, then type your macOS password and click Install Software. This will take a while to complete, but when it's finished, you should see a message saying the install was successful, and now you can click on Close to exit the installer. Now you can go into System Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Printers and Scanners. Before continuing, make sure that your printer is plugged into your Mac with a USB cable and it's turned on. Then click on Add Printer Scanner or Fax. You should see that your printer has been detected in the box at the top, and if you select it, it should automatically select the right driver. Then you can just click on Add to finish and you'll now be able to print. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. That's it for now, thanks for watching.